Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, friends. I'm so excited to share today's transformation with you. If you're staring at your home after taking down all those festive decorations and feeling a bit lost, you're in the right place. Today, we're styling a complete farmhouse home with beautiful neutral layers that'll carry you gracefully into the new year. We're talking cozy textures, timeless pieces, and that effortless lived-in charm we all love. If you enjoy practical design tips that actually work in real homes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps us create more content just like this. Now, let's dive into creating your post-Christmas haven together. Your farmhouse facade is the first impression, and after Christmas, simplicity speaks volumes. Remove those colorful holiday lights and embrace the architectural beauty of your home. Consider leaving up simple white string lights along the roofline for subtle winter ambience. Add fresh greenery and planters flanking your front door. Think evergreen branches, winter berries, or dried hydrangeas in galvanized metal containers. A fresh coat of paint on your door in a classic shade like charcoal gray or deep navy creates instant impact. Stack vintage wooden crates filled with firewood near the entrance. This curated simplicity creates what designers call quiet luxury, understated elegance that whispers rather than shouts. Your entryway sets the entire tone for your home's interior. Start with a reclaimed wood console table or a vintage bench with storage underneath for shoes. Install simple shaker-style hooks at varying heights for coats, hats, and bags. This practical solution keeps clutter contained while adding vertical interest. Choose a large leaning mirror with a chunky wooden frame to visually expand the space and reflect natural light. Layer a jute or sisal runner over your flooring, then add a smaller core mat at the door for texture play. Incorporate a wire basket for keys and mail. The beauty here is in the layering. Combining different textures and finishes creates depth without overwhelming your entrance. In your farmhouse living room, neutral doesn't mean boring, it means versatile. Anchor the space with a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm white, oatmeal, or greige. Layer throw pillows in varying textures, chunky knit, linen, washed cotton, and even a subtle plaid. Drape a chunky cable knit throw or vintage quilt over the arm of your sofa. Choose a reclaimed wood coffee table or a vintage trunk for character. Add depth with different shades of neutral. Think cream, beige, taupe, and warm grays working together. This is what we call a tonal palette, where subtle color variations create visual interest. The key is mixing materials and textures while keeping the color story cohesive and calm. Now let's style those surfaces with intention. On your coffee table, create a simple vignette with a wooden dough bowl filled with natural elements like dried lavender, eucalyptus, or cotton stems. Stack vintage books and top them with a small ceramic pitcher. Add candlesticks in varying heights. Brass or black metal work beautifully in farmhouse spaces. On your side tables, incorporate table lamps with textured bases like ceramic, wood, or even repurposed vintage bottles. Display a few curated accessories, a vintage scale, old pottery, or a wooden toolbox filled with greenery. Remember the rule of 3 in design. Grouping items in odd numbers creates visual harmony. Every piece should feel intentional, not cluttered. Your dining room deserves a refresh that honors its gathering purpose. Center your space with a solid wood farmhouse table. Trestle or pedestal styles both work beautifully. Surround it with mismatched chairs for that collected over time aesthetic, or choose woven rattan chairs for texture. Hang a statement chandelier. Consider a wagon wheel design, a simple iron fixture, or even a collection of pendant lights at varying heights. Layer neutral table linens. Start with a textured runner in linen or burlap. Add simple white dinner plates, and fold natural linen napkins. This creates what designers call casual elegance. Your dining space should feel inviting enough for everyday meals yet special enough for Sunday dinners. Your dining table centerpiece should be beautiful yet practical, never so tall that guests can't see each other. Create a low, horizontal arrangement in a vintage wooden trough or metal tray. Fill it with pillar candles in cream or ivory, surrounded by greenery like eucalyptus or olive branches. Incorporate natural elements, pine cones, river rocks, or white pumpkins for winter interest. Flank this centerpiece with simple candlesticks in wood or metal. Consider adding texture with a woven charger at each place setting. The beauty of neutral styling is its adaptability. You can easily add seasonal touches without starting from scratch. This foundation will serve you beautifully throughout the winter months and beyond. The farmhouse kitchen thrives on open, edited styling. If you have open shelving, display your everyday dishes in stacks. White ironstone, simple stoneware, or vintage enamelware create beautiful visual rhythm. Style your closed cabinets by replacing hardware with simple cup pulls or bin pulls in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. On countertops, embrace the working display concept. Keep your frequently used items like your coffee maker, wooden cutting boards, and a ceramic utensil crock visible but organized. Add a vintage scale, a wooden bread box, or a pottery bowl filled with fresh lemons. The goal is to balance function with beauty, creating a space that's both hardworking and gorgeous. Your small appliances can contribute to your design story rather than detract from it. Choose a coffee maker in stainless steel or matte black that complements your aesthetic. Display it on a small wooden tray with your favorite mugs and a canister of coffee beans. Near your stove, install a simple pot rack or hooks for frequently used pots and pans. Copper or cast iron pieces double as decor. Add warmth above your cabinets with vintage crocks, baskets, or large pottery pieces. Replace your refrigerator's contents with organized storage in glass containers or wire baskets. Install a simple peel-and-stick backsplash in white subway tile or beadboard for instant cottage charm that transforms your kitchen's character completely. Your family room should be the most relaxed space in your home. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console or vintage credenza. This grounds the technology in farmhouse warmth. Flank the TV with simple accessories, vintage books, small plants in ceramic pots, or wooden candlesticks. Arrange seating in a conversation-friendly layout with a sectional or oversized sofa facing the TV, then add a couple of slip-covered armchairs angled inward. Layer the floor with a large jute rug, then add a smaller vintage rug on top for pattern play. Include a pouf or ottoman for extra seating and footrest functionality. This layered approach creates what designers call high-low design, mixing casual comfort with curated style. The secret to an inviting family room is all about texture layering. Start with your largest pieces in neutral tones, then add warmth through textiles. Drape chunky knit blankets over the back of your sofa. Pile throw pillows in varying sizes and textures, and add a sheepskin throw over a chair. Include tactile elements like a woven basket holding extra blankets, a wooden tray for remotes, and ceramic coasters for drinks. Bring in living elements with a fiddle leaf fig in a woven basket or simple eucalyptus stems in a vintage pitcher. Add ambient lighting with floor lamps featuring linen shades and wooden bases. These layers create depth and dimension while keeping the space feeling calm and cohesive. Creating a functional home office in farmhouse style means balancing productivity with warmth. Choose a simple wooden desk. Even a vintage farmhouse table works beautifully. Select a comfortable chair with a neutral cushion or a vintage wooden chair with a sheepskin throw. Keep your desktop minimal. A small vintage radio for music, a unique desk clock with character, a ceramic pencil holder, and perhaps a small succulent in a textured pot. Install simple floating shelves above your desk for books and binders in neutral tones. Use vintage tins or wooden boxes for organizing supplies. Add a task lamp with an adjustable arm in black or brass. This creates a workspace that's efficient yet inspiring. Every farmhouse home needs a dedicated reading corner. Find a cozy spot near a window and anchor it with a comfortable upholstered chair or a vintage rocking chair. Add a small side table. Even a vintage stool works for your coffee or tea. Layer the chair with pillows and a soft throw blanket. Install a wall-mounted reading light or place a floor lamp with an adjustable head nearby. Create a small book display. Stack your current reads on the side table or use a vintage ladder as a bookshelf. Add a small basket at the base for magazines. Include a sheepskin rug underfoot for extra coziness. This intentional space invites you to slow down and savor quiet moments. Your bedroom should be the ultimate neutral sanctuary. Start with quality bedding in whites, creams, or soft grays. Invest in natural fibers like linen or cotton that breathe beautifully. Layer your bed with a textured quilt, a chunky knit blanket at the foot, and an abundance of pillows in varying sizes. Choose a substantial wooden bed frame and a natural finish. Iron beds also work wonderfully in farmhouse spaces. Flank the bed with simple nightstands in wood or painted finishes, topped with table lamps featuring linen or burlap shades. Add a bench at the foot of the bed covered in vintage grain sack fabric or linen. This is bed layering, building dimensions through textiles for visual and physical comfort. Complete your bedroom with thoughtful accessories that enhance tranquility. Above your bed, hang a large vintage window frame, a simple wooden cross, or a collection of smaller frames with botanical prints. On nightstands, keep it simple: a lamp, a small plant or fresh flowers in a ceramic vase, and perhaps a vintage clock or small stack of books. Use a large basket at the foot of your bed for extra blankets or pillows. Add a vintage rug beside the bed for soft morning landings. Consider a simple wooden ladder leaning against the wall for displaying throws or quilts. These finishing touches should feel personal and restful, never cluttered or overstimulating. The farmhouse bathroom celebrates simplicity and natural materials. At your sink, choose a vessel sink or undermount sink in white ceramic paired with a bronze or black faucet. Display necessities in an organized way: cotton rounds in a glass jar, hand soap in a ceramic dispenser, and hand towels on a simple hook or ring. Under the sink, use woven baskets or vintage crates for storage. Above the sink, hang a wood-framed mirror. Oversized or vintage styles work beautifully. Install simple sconce lighting in black or bronze on either side. Replace standard hardware with cup pulls or simple knobs in complementary finishes. The goal is creating a spa-like atmosphere through edited, intentional choices. In the shower area, embrace clean simplicity. Use white subway tile or beadboard for a classic farmhouse look. Install a vintage-style shower head in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. Display bath products in matching dispensers or simple glass bottles. This small change creates instant cohesion. Use a wooden bath mat outside the shower for warmth and texture. Add open shelving with vintage brackets to hold rolled towels, extra toiletries in woven baskets, or small plants like pothoes that thrive in humidity. Incorporate natural elements like a small eucalyptus bundle hanging from your shower head. Keep surfaces clear and organized. This approach creates what designers call curated simplicity. Everything has purpose and beauty. Even your garage deserves farmhouse charm and organization. Install pegboard walls painted in a neutral color for hanging tools, bikes, and equipment. Use vintage wooden crates or galvanized metal bins for organizing seasonal items, sporting goods, or gardening supplies. Add open shelving with simple brackets to hold labeled baskets. Consider a vintage workbench along one wall with storage underneath. Keep cleaning supplies in a vintage metal caddy or wooden toolbox. Paint garage walls in light colors to brighten the space. Add practical hooks for brooms, rakes, and ladders. The farmhouse garage proves that functional spaces can still embrace style. This organized approach makes daily life smoother and more pleasant. Your farmhouse patio becomes an extension of your indoor living during transitional seasons. Anchor the space with weather-resistant furniture in natural materials, teak, cedar, or powder-coated metal in black or bronze. Add all-weather cushions in neutral tones with outdoor throw pillows. Create an outdoor dining area with a simple wooden table and chairs. String simple Edison bulbs overhead for ambient evening lighting. Include large planters with winter greenery, ornamental grasses, or even small evergreen trees. Add an outdoor rug in a natural fiber to define the seating area. Incorporate a vintage ladder as a plant stand or blanket holder. This creates seamless indoor-outdoor flow that extends your living space year-round. Friends, we've just transformed an entire farmhouse with the power of neutral layers, and I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own post-Christmas sanctuary. Remember, farmhouse style isn't about perfection. It's about creating a warm, lived-in space that tells your story. Start with these neutral foundations, and you'll have endless flexibility to add seasonal touches throughout the year. The beauty of this approach is its timelessness and versatility. If you found value in today's styling journey, please hit that like button and leave a comment sharing which room you're most excited to tackle first. Your engagement truly means the world and helps this community grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that's practical, achievable, and always beautiful. Until next time, happy decorating, friends.